Hey boys and girls, today we're going to take our RI 2.5 text features quiz. We've been learning about different text features this week and how they help us locate information in a text. So on the text features quiz, you need to write your name here, write your whole first name, and the first initial of your last name, the first letter of your last name. Then you're going to choose your teacher's name here. And then we're going to read the passage and answer the questions. I'm going to read the passage aloud to you right now. The title of this passage is Abe Lincoln's Cabin. There are some words to know that are right here. The words to know are chores, axe, and chalkboard. Long ago, Abraham Lincoln was President of the United States. He was born in a small one-room log cabin. His family built it themselves. Let's go inside and see what it was like. Here's a subheading, Water Bucket and Axe. Young Abe had many chores to do. He had to get water for his family because they needed water for washing, drinking, and watering plants. Abe used a bucket to get water from a stream. Abe had another job. He chopped wood with an axe, and his family used the wood for fences and firewood. You can see the illustration of him chopping wood with the axe here. And here's a picture or a photograph of the log cabin that he was born in. Underneath the photograph, it has a caption that tells more about the picture. This picture shows what Abe Lincoln's first log cabin looked like. Lincoln was born in Kentucky in 1809. Now we're going to go to this page. The subheading is Spinning Wheel. In Abe's time, people made their own clothes. Abe's mother used a spinning wheel. She put cotton on the wheel and turned the wheel. The cotton stretched out and became thread. She used the thread to make clothes for the whole family. And the caption says, this picture shows a spinning wheel from Lincoln's time. You can see his mother spinning thread to make clothes for the family. Then we have a subheading, Slate and Books. Abe learned how to read and write in the cabin. He wrote on a small chalkboard called a slate, and he wrote with chalk. Abe loved to read. He would walk miles to borrow books. When he carried his books back to the cabin, he tied them together using leather straps. One of his favorite books was about George Washington. George Washington was the first president of the United States. And then we had the last subheading, Games. Have you ever heard of jacks? Some people play jacks today, and children also played it in Abe's time. They played a game called cup and ball too. They would try to swing the ball into the cup. Now we've read the passage on Abe Lincoln's cabin. Now you're going to go to your Google Form quiz and answer the 5 questions about this passage. Thank you.